Hello guys, welcome to all of you my video lesson. Today I want to discuss a burning topic titled Commerce Education and Skills Needed by an Organization in the present scenario. Friends, 2 years ago I had faced an interview for the post of assistant professor. Interview board asked me, how would you develop Department of Commerce in the next 5 years? As far as my view is concerned, both the topic is same here. Friends, I had faced many interviews and delivered many lectures only in the area of my subject. Really, it was very interesting and new one. Friends, I am sharing here my opinion on the concerned topic here. As you know that today the business environment has completely been changed. You know, commerce education is one of the important subjects. It is an individual asset for the personal livelihood. I observed that there is a big difference between college education and the skills needed by the organization. Now, I want to discuss one by one points where needs improvement. These areas are advanced practical training, practical knowledge in taxation, practical knowledge of accounting software, improvement of communication skill, revision of syllabus, teachers orientation program. Now come to advanced practical training. Guys, I have assessed that earlier industry used to recruit first and train them to suit their requirement. But now industry wants ready-made workers to perform duties independently. Today the business is very competitive and they don't want to waste their time to train them. They want to get maximum output by them. To overcome the above problem, commerce student must be practically trained at college level. College should approach to industry for practical training. Now, I am going to discuss about practical knowledge in the area of taxation. Guys, I have assessed that although taxation is taught in the college, all heads of income and deductions are taught to them. But lack of practical knowledge, they are not very much competent to file e-return. Today the corporate culture has totally been changed. E-return of income tax and GST are regular and compulsory phenomena of the business. To make students well trained, they should be trained at college level in taxation as well as return filing. It will be helpful in getting their job easily. For practical knowledge, college should organize workshop, seminar on different aspect of taxation. College should invite tax professionals to make awareness on taxation among students. Now, next, but it is important, practical knowledge of accounting software. Friends, I have assessed that after passing graduation or even post graduation, commerce students are unemployed due to lack of accounting software knowledge. They join computer institute to learn accounting software. They are treated as raw hand by their newly employer. You know, no one college is providing practical accounting training. As far as my view is concerned, practical training of accounting software should be facilitated by commerce department during degree classes. Next I am going to discuss very important point, that is improvement of communication skill. Friends, I have assessed that today in the cutthroat competition, business policy and data analysis are required to be presented in well manner so that it can be fruitful. Like management students, commerce students are not well versed in effective communication. They feel difficulty in presentation. Due to this, they fail to achieve their personal and organizational goal. To overcome the problem, I think that communication skill class should be introduced at their college. Not only experts should be invited to train them. Regular debate and programs should be organized. Marks should be given on presentation skills. Now, I am going to discuss. Last point, that is renewal of syllabus. It is very important because today syllabus is not up to mark. It is not according to market demand and it needs to be recast on renewal. Syllabus should be recast, irrelevant topics should be removed and new relevant topics should be introduced. Teaching the same curriculum made the job of teaching very boring. There should be more involvement of industry experts and professionals like CA, CS, LLBs in framing syllabus and other industry based course. Now I want to discuss with you another point, that is teacher orientation program. Friends, teachers are our greatest assets in the society. You know, teachers are manufacturers and the students are their finished products. What they possess, they share knowledge to their students. To shape them completely, they need to be updated in the area of information technology, finance, and taxation. So I think teachers should frequently participate in national and international level seminars. Their promotions must be based on after successful completion of orientation program. Friends, I hope that this video will be beneficial for students, employer and college also. Thank you for watching my video.